Okay, so I'm gonna be customizing this wig today from Mslula Hair. As you can see, the lace is not bleached yet. I haven't even shown you guys close up. These are how the knots are looking. You can see like they're very black. So I need to go in and bleach this. Also, from looking at this hairline, I can see that they've done like a little bit of plucking in the front, but I like my plucking to kind of be a lot more further back. So I like the front to just be very natural looking and not super thick, even though they did do some plucking here. It's just my personal preference to go in there and customize it more. This is a 360 lace wig. So all around it, I feel like the plucking is pretty much the same. The hair back, if I just have the hair kind of like parted to the side or parted in the middle, I won't really have to do too much, but because I do want to experiment with different styles with this hair, I'm gonna want to have to pluck everything. So the plucking might take me about maybe an hour or two. So I'm gonna focus on that. And then this is how the wig is kind of looking. I don't have any lights on right now, so the lighting is kind of off. I've been kind of looking for a wig that I could wear that looks pretty natural and that doesn't look super long. So hair is super soft and it also has some body to it, so it feels like it's relaxed hair. I'm gonna start off with the bleach and get the knots, you know, fixed. Hey guys, so I'm back with a new video. Ooh, I probably should have changed, but that's fine. I won't change because I'm literally can barely see much anyway. But I already did a makeup video before this, so I was like, oh, I already have this hair like pretty much done, and you guys already saw the process of me like customizing it on the mannequin head and all that good stuff. So this wig is from Mslula Virgin Human Hair. And it is an 18-inch, 250% density wig. When I tell you guys, this wig is completely soft. When it's wet, dry, like when I first got it, even after I styled it, it's really soft, and it was so effortless for me to like curl it and to like straighten it and stuff. It's refreshing having a wig like this because I think recently my wigs have not been as soft as this, so I'm really shocked with the quality. It's really good. It did come with, like, it came with like the wig bag, it came with some black wig caps, I even put in a really cute Santa hat and also a little stocking stuffer thing and some hair clips, which I definitely need. And it also comes with some extra sewing combs for if you want like more in your wig, which I don't really use them that often. But yeah, you guys will see I did bleach the knots for this wig. I'm gonna zoom in too closely so you guys can see like the detailed work that I did for this lace and stuff. I also spent time plucking this wig as well. Like I did so much plucking, but I needed to so that I could make it look more natural for you guys. To me, like this 18-inch wig is perfect because it's also pretty thick as well. It makes it so that it doesn't seem like it's really that short for me. Like, and I usually get like 22 inches, 24-inch wigs. With my experience with longer wigs and stuff, it is kind of short, but I think it's perfect. I think that the way I customized it looks really good. Has the texture as if you had relaxed your hair, like if you processed it and your hair was like, you know, curly before. It has the same type of body as that, which I personally like more than having a super silky wig. 360 lace wig, so you can part it however you want, and then it's got lace tracks around in the inside. I think for the most part, the 360 lace wigs do lay flatter than say if you just got a regular, you know, a regular wig that has a closure or a frontal. This just lays a lot flatter, which I really do like a lot. For the plucking and stuff, again, I just did it because that's something that I normally do regardless, even if they do pluck it already. I still go back in and do it myself. But this did have a pretty harsh hairline for me, for my taste, so I went back and plucked it. But after plucking it, look at how amazing this looks. Like, I could do a half updo now. I could do a ponytail if I wanted. I give this wig an A because it just looks so natural too. Here's the detailed work that I did. Obviously I did my foundation afterwards, but what I will do next time is do my foundation first and then put the lace over it because I feel like it will blend in more. I also bleached the knots, so as you can see this parting space, it's the same color as my wig cap underneath or my scalp. And this is how the sides look as well. For those of y'all that wanted to know, I literally just used hair gel and a little bit of the Got2b glue. Like, I don't even lay down my wigs anymore with Got2b glue because I feel like it's not necessary for me anymore. And it won't move anywhere, like it's stuck. And there's also an elastic band that I use. But basically when I'm laying down the baby hairs, I use a mixture of the Wetline Extreme Hair Gel plus a little bit of the Got2b glue to really make it stick down so it doesn't move anywhere. But I just love the job that I did as far as the plucking went. I think it looks a lot more natural than if you didn't do anything with it at all. Okay, so the price of this wig is going to be $193.79. So you are getting a lot of hair with this. And 18 inches to me, it's still really, really good. It's a new go-to wig. That's all that I have to say. Like, that's pretty much it. But yeah, this is how the ends look. And that is how the back looks. But I think that's all that I have to really say about this unit. I hope that you guys liked this video. I'm gonna put the links to Mslula Hair down below. Mslula or Mslula, I'm not really sure how to say it, but we'll put the links below for you guys to purchase this. Yeah, happy holidays, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.